Hey guys, AutisTECH96 here with another video, and today I'll be talking about 3 more interesting tech news headlines, and on to the video. The first headline I'll be talking about is essentially something known as identity check, and what this does is it requires biometric authentication from you in order to access sensitive information. This is to prevent theft, so crooks don't know anything about you, basically. What do I think of this feature? I mean, honestly, I never would have thought of this myself. It's honestly quite amazing. Like, I'm glad they're finally taking security seriously now. I'm not gonna lie. Number 2 is the announcement of the Galaxy S25 series, and as I said before, they're essentially the same thing. They have roughly the same dimensions, the same camera hardware, almost identical AI features. I mean, the only improvements really are raw-like technology that they introduced called log, which applies color correction after a video is taken. And nothing much else to say about these. Anyways, on to number 3. Last but not least, number 3 is the release of Google's Android 16 in beta form for the first time. And the 3 features that really stick out to me are live updates, which is essentially where you can track, like, say, deliveries and game scores and such in real time. And there's also a new AVD codec that is essentially like RAW, almost, basically targeted at like pro-level photography and video. Hello guys, thank you for making it this far. Please give a like, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more. And until then, take care. Peace out, y'all.